Today I'm going to change out the interior OEM light bulbs in my GR86. There are 3 areas I want to do. 2 light bulbs in the map area, 2 courtesy door lights, and 1 in the trunk. I went online, bought these small LED panels. They come with these different adapters, but the one that I'm going to be using is this little round one here. This is the 168/194 adapter. So 2 of these will go to the 2 map lights. 1 goes to the trunk, and then these 2 little ones will go to the courtesy door lights. Now, I wanted to do a before and after comparison, so I took videos of different areas before the installation with certain camera settings, meaning the aperture, ISO, and frame rate, and then do the same after the installation. Now, the reason is if I didn't do that, the camera will adjust itself and we wouldn't be able to see the difference on screen. I'm just curious about how much power this little guy is drawing, so I have it hooked up to a power supply right now, 0.18 amps, which is not much at all. Let's do a little safety check. And for this guy, it's about the same. Get yourself a nice, small trim removing tool. Pried it. Look, it comes right out. It might just popped out. There you go. Like this. Pull this guy out. Okay, so I just put that in. Turn it on. Look at that. The cover is back on, but I wound up using these blue fun tack to tack the corners down because it tends to want to be sliding around inside. And I'm not really concerned about the temperature because I would have to leave this on for about 5-10 minutes to get even warm. So I'm not worrying about it. So now, turn this on, and that's OEM. I can see the big difference already. So I can't wait to see what it looks like at night. Both sides are done. Let's see. Much better. And I chose to use these panels instead of one single little bulb because they're strictly shining down, and that's how I wanted it. So now I'm gonna go work on the one in the trunk. Look how depressing this thing looks. So to get to this, there's a little tab back here. Just push it forward and it would drop this basket down, and I can just try to get this bulb out. I'm hoping my glove will give us some traction. Here we go. It's out. There's really no good way to do it. So what I think I want to do is put this back up and tuck all the wires and stuff inside the basket and tape it right here. These panels, they come with double-sided tape. I tuck as much wire as I could inside this basket, and the whole LED panel is now double-sided tape to the top of the trunk. Of course, I use alcohol to wipe down the surface before I did that. I don't have a small enough removal tool, so I'm just using a flathead. So just careful, pry this open. There it comes. Alright, so now just push this guy in. So now I'm gonna go try it out. If it doesn't work, I'll just flip this around. Now it's in. Now go work on the other side. Alright, here's the second one. That's on as well. So now, just wait until nighttime and see the results.
7 hours later.
When it got dark enough, I just went outside to check them out. It's night and day. They are just bright, but not, like blinding bright. I mean, if I drop something in my car, I can find it. And guess what? They use less power. And the best part is now I can see my entire trunk area, whereas before I just couldn't. So I'm really happy with these lights and the way I set them up.